Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to dive deep into a topic that affects each and every one of us, money. We use it every day, yet there are so many things that we don't know about it. In this video, we're going to uncover the untold truth about money that you need to know. So, let's get started. 1. Money is just a tool. One of the biggest misconceptions about money is that it's everything. People often believe that having more money will make them happier and solve all their problems. But the truth is that money is just a tool, a means to an end. It's not the ultimate goal. Money can help you achieve your goals and live a comfortable life, but it won't bring you happiness if you're not happy to begin with. 2. The value of money is relative. The value of money is not fixed, and it can vary greatly depending on where you live and what you're buying. For example, $100 might be a lot of money in one country, but it might not be enough to buy a single meal in another. The purchasing power of money is constantly changing, and it's important to keep this in mind when making financial decisions. 3. Debt can be a useful tool. Debt is often seen as a bad thing, but it can be a useful tool if used wisely. For example, taking out a loan to start a business or invest in education can be a smart financial move that can pay off in the long run. However, it's important to be responsible with debt and not take on more than you can handle. 4. Saving money is crucial. Saving money is crucial if you want to achieve your financial goals and build wealth. However, many people struggle with saving because they feel like they don't have enough money to spare. The truth is that saving is not about the amount of money you have. It's about developing good habits and making small changes to your lifestyle that can add up over time. 5. Financial education is key. Lastly, financial education is key if you want to make the most of your money. Unfortunately, many people are not taught about personal finance in school and are left to figure it out on their own. But the good news is that there are plenty of resources available to help you learn about managing your money, from books and podcasts to online courses and financial advisors. So there you have it, the untold truth about money. Remember that money is just a tool. The value of money is relative. Debt can be a useful tool. Saving money is crucial, and financial education is key. By understanding these truths, you can make better financial decisions and achieve your goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.